Good morning all of you. Welcome to the Power System Lab. Today we will see the experiment 3 in our Power System Lab, that is Gauss-Seidel method of power flow, and we will find different voltages, reactive power at different buses. So the system which I am considering is a 3-bus system. So in the previous example, for the same system we have calculated the Y bus using MATLAB programming. So now for the same system we will see how to calculate the different voltages and reactive power. So here if you observe this system, so here we know the bus voltage and here we know the active power, but we don't know the reactive power. Here we know the active power and reactive power. So we will try to calculate the voltage here at the bus 3 and voltage at bus 2 and the reactive power at bus 2 at this stage. So we can assume some values, that is V3 at a 0th iteration we can take it as 1, V1 we can take it as 1 plus J0 as given. This will not change. V1 for 0th iteration or it is nth iteration, it will be same value, and we assume a base MVA of 100 and acceleration factor we are taking as 1.6. So first what we can do by opening MATLAB, already you have this program, Y-bus program. So the same Y-bus program you can copy and paste till this one up to Y33. So that's what I have done here. Up to Y33 I have pasted here. After that, whatever the values given that we assumed are given values, we can write here V10. Here V10 means V1 at 0th iteration, V11 means V1 at first iteration, V12 means V1 at second iteration, V20 means V2 at 0th iteration, V3 at 0th iteration, and acceleration factor is given 1.6, and the active power at bus 3 is 500 kilowatt, reactive power at bus 3 is 350 kVAr, active power at bus 2 is 400 kilowatt, or you can say whatever the units given, megawatt or kilowatt. So MVA, base MVA, we will assume that this is 100. Now how can I find the voltage at bus 3? So to find the voltage at bus 3, so I will expand the formula which is given here, this one, Vk to the power, Vk at the r plus 10 iteration. R is the number of iteration here, so 1 by Ykk, Vk minus jqk by Vk power Vkr, summation of I is equals to 1 to k minus 1 Vk. So this extension, how we have to extend this formula, you know, you have learned in the power system tutorial. So if you need any clarification, you can check once the power system sheet 6. That a clear explanation is given, and we have solved some problems also. So using this, when we extend this formula, we will get this V31 and V31 acceleration, and Q21, this is the reactive power at bus 2. So for this also we have formula, you can extend this reactive power formula. So if you extend the reactive power formula, you will get the reactive power here, Q2. So and then we will calculate the V21 and V21 accelerated. So if we run this, After doing typing all this here, you can save this and you can run. So when you run, you will get V31 accelerated, Q21 and V21 and V21 accelerated. See, this is example program how we can calculate the Gauss-Seidel power system, how we can calculate different voltages, reactive powers in Gauss-Seidel method. So this program can be written in so many ways. This is not the only way we have. We can use so many ways to write this program. So depending upon the programmer, it can be written in so many ways. So if you want to try different Gauss-Seidel programs in the MATLAB Exchange, just you type power system 3 bus or 4 bus Gauss-Seidel method power flow solution. You will get different programs. You can try to analyze this program, and you can write your own programs also. So you can try to write this program for other examples given in the manual. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me in the course mail. I will explain you. If you have any errors in the program, you can contact me. Thank you very much.